I stopped asking whether a decision is right. I started asking whether it's reversible. And that's one question deleted most of my decision anxiety. Most people apply the same heavy process to every big decision. Should I move cities? Agonize for a year. Take the new job? Spreadsheets, pro-con lists. 3 months of lost sleep. The assumption underneath is that every big decision is permanent. Almost none of them are. Now, Jeff Bezos ran Amazon on this exact distinction. Me personally, I question some of his personal decisions, but regardless, that guy can run a business. He called them one-way doors and two-way doors. A one-way door, you walk through and it locks behind you. A two-way door, you can walk back out. Companies die by treating two-way doors like one-way doors, applying slow, heavy, irreversible decision caution to choices that are actually cheap to undo. Moving cities is reversible. The new job is reversible. The side project, the hobby, the sabbatical, reversible, reversible, reversible. In software, we'd call the careful version a canary deploy. Ship the change to a small slice, watch what happens, roll back if it breaks. You don't need the decision to be right. You need the rollback to be cheap. The person who treats everything as permanent runs maybe 5 life experiments in a decade. The person who sorts correctly runs 50. The second person isn't smarter. They just iterate faster, so they find what works sooner. Now, some doors really do lock. Having kids, torching your reputation, certain financial commitments. Those deserve every bit of agonizing. And that's what agonizing is for. The skill isn't being bold everywhere. It's sorting the doors correctly before you decide how careful to be. So before the next big decision eats a month of your life, ask the sorting question first. If this goes wrong, what does it cost to walk back? If the answer is a plane ticket and some pride, go for it. Stop treating two-way doors like they lock behind you.